Hi guys, welcome back. This is Isa from PrintStick, and in this video I will show you how you can use the Date sticker book to date an undated digital planner. Okay, so for this example, I'm using my brand new digital Bujo style planner, which is this one right here. And I started using this a few days ago. I really like it, so I wanted to show you how I'm gonna use the Dates sticker book to add to my pages and make it a little easier and faster for me to build my weekly spreads or even monthly spreads. So as you can see, I have my sections labeled here. Section number 1 is journaling. So if I tap there, it opens my section for journaling, but there's absolutely nothing in it, just a dotted page. So what I'm going to do, I'm also using this Bujo sticker book, and I'm going to link all of this below in case you're interested. But I'm just going to grab the box from here. I think this is a good one to add to my weekly pages. So I'm just going to copy that box. To do that, I just make a little circle selection on top of the sticker, tap on that selection, and I'm using my lasso tool, and then click on copy, go back to my planner, tap and hold, click on paste. So for this, I'm going to use 6 boxes, okay? So one Monday through Friday, and then the extra box is going to be divided for the weekend. So what I'm doing here, I'm just adding, a copy of this box per day of the week. So total of 6 boxes, I'm just copying them and pasting them, and I try to align them using my lasso tool. Paste the last 2, there we go. I think they're aligned pretty well, and then I select all of them and resize them like this. And then in this space, I can either enter the week that this spread is for, or some washi tape or something like that. So once I have my boxes, now I need to add the days of the weeks and the numbers. So that's when I go and open my dates sticker book, and I'm going to look for the days of the week, which, you know what, I have an index, so let me just use that. Click on the middle spiral, go to your index, and then you can see that you have black days. Those are the ones I want right now. And I look for a font that I like. I use my lasso tool again and select all of the words for that font. So copy, go back to my bullet journal, paste them. And here you need to resize them, or you can resize them all at the same time, because at least I like the way they look, all the words, sized the same. So it's better if you resize them all at once. Otherwise, it's going to be hard to match the exact same size if you do it separately. So once I have the right size, and then I can just grab each of my words and paste it on each of the boxes. Now, for the weekend box, I'm actually going to divide it in 2. So I'm going to place Saturday on the left and Sunday on the right side. And to divide this box more clearly, I'm going to tap on my pen tool to open my pen. Then I'm going to test the size of the pen, which I think it's fine. If it's not fine, you can tap on the pen with icon and then just move the slider to select a different size. But I'm happy with the one I have. And then I tap on my perfect shape tool to make sure that my line that I'm going to draw is going to be perfectly straight. Then I just make the line dividing this box. And if I want to align it, I can tap on my lasso tool to open my menu, turn off the images option to make sure I'm not selecting the image, which is the box for the day, and then just, move my line, which is ink or handwriting, and center it correctly. Okay, now at this step, if you want to have 2 weeks, in a single open page in your planner, you can copy all of these and make your life a lot easier. So I'm just going to select all boxes with the labels of the day. Even though it's 2 weeks, I'm looking at them at the same time. So if they have the same style, I think it's okay. And it's also a lot quicker. So there you go. Now go back to my sticker book, and I'm going to look for my numbers. You have just the black numbers, but in this case I want the dot numbers because they add a little bit of color to the spread. Now I just select the style and color that I want, and if you know me well, I think I'm just gonna go for the purple because it's my favorite color. So I'm gonna date 2 weeks, and I believe it's from February 3rd, February 3rd to February 16th. So those are the numbers I'm going to be copying with my lasso tool. So I just draw over them, click on that selection, click on copy, go back to my digital Bujo, and then paste them. Now remember, before letting go, you can check which size you want the stickers to be. So normally I would like them to be inside the box, but I think this is too small. So even if they stick out of the box, I'm just gonna make them a little bigger because I just want to be able to actually see what each number is quickly. Then I place my numbers and I can start arranging them right next to the weekday. Now for the weekend, since I divided the boxes and they don't really fit up here, I'm just going to place them down here. Like, it's your digital planner, it's your own rules, and you can do anything you want. Now here, for example, I accidentally let go of the sticker. Now if I select with my lasso tool, I'm going to select both the boxes and the sticker because the boxes and the sticker are both images. Remember, when you go to your lasso tool, you have handwriting, images, or text boxes. Now I can try to get it without touching the edges. That worked. But otherwise, you can use the image tool, so the image icon here on your toolbar. Tap on the image and you will be able to select it just like that. And as quick as that, I have created my very own weekly spreads. Now, I used stickers, obviously, for these boxes, but just know that you can use your perfect shape tool and your pen tool to create your own boxes in case that you don't want to, purchase extra stickers, or it's just an option that you can also create it yourself. And then you can use the stickers there to add the days and the numbers. Now, I'm just going to add what weeks this is for. This is going to be February 3rd. And then like a dash to 3rd to 9th, I think it's this week. And I'm going to change the font. Maybe this Huesitos font. I'm gonna make it all caps. I'm going to copy this exact same text, paste it on my next page so that I have the style and size selected, just the number I have to change. There we go. And what I've been using lately is just some like highlighter, just to highlight and add a little bit of color to my words. So let's do one line here at the bottom and then change another similar color and do one at the top. And there you go. That's how you can easily and quickly build your own weekly spread using the Date sticker book. I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. Don't forget to subscribe so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.